that big.
I tried that. It don't go there.
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 Goes right here.
This don't go there either. This is what I was...
Ah, it was over here.
There we go. I got it. I got this. Okay, what is this?
That definitely goes there.
What?
That definitely goes there.
Where? No, it does not. There.
Boat.
This has to go somewhere over here.
Somewhere over the rainbow.
What is this? What? Come on, I need this piece right here.
I'll find it. Hey, you dropped a piece.
Okay.
Let's leave.
This is tree and sky.
What is spotted?
What? Look at the picture. Aha! You found it.
It's a seagull!
Hey, look. I put his head on. Hey, see if that is this his body. Ooh, let me see if this is his body. Here's his body.
Body, yada, 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 yada.
Ooh, here's some...
Got his nether feet. Got his nether feet? What?
Crazy for lying. Crazy
What?
for dying. Crazy for loving you.
No.
It's a song. And that does not match.
It's another bird.
Look, it looks like it should, but it don't. Don't match. That don't match. You need a top over there?
It's a big cloud. Wonder what that was.
Here's half of a bird. What? It's his head and a wing. And here's the bottom half of a bird.
Maybe connect the
Maybe
two.
it goes together, huh? Nope. Oh, yes, it does. There you go. There's a bird.
And there's the bottom, and you get a bird. I found a wing. Or someone's false eyelashes.
Ooh, ooh, ooh. There we go. There we go.
I found another wing. It's a wingman.
It's a wing, man. It's a wing. It's a wing, she. It's a swing, she. Stop checking your notifications. There. I don't know.
Oh wait, this has pink in it.
Randomly sticking stuff down? Is that what you're doing? Okay, this cannot go here. Okay. Because it goes down here.
Right. Ooh! Oh, ah! Don't play feetsies.
I'm not.
You scrunched your feet next to mine.
I didn't move my feet at all.
Yes, you did.
No, I did not.
That looks like a turd. Like a really, really fancy turd.
I wish my turds looked like that when they came out of me. You too? You do too? Hmm?
Here, I'll pet you, boy. No? Okay, bye-bye.
Do you have that this piece over there?
I don't know. Maybe.
You're helpful.
I am.
I found some feetsies!
I found his feetsies.
Okay, I flipped over all of my pieces, and I do not have a red chair piece.
I made a bird. I found the whole bird.
Woohoo! You got... You're not going fast enough.
I will find it, and when I find it,
gonna
I
be
will
on
be
the
the one to
ground.
place it.
That's not right.
Wait. Sit down.
Look, granola. We can't get away a puzzle with a missing piece. Alright, let's just keep going. Maybe it's in this pile or that pile.
Maybe. I want to just check up there. Because I really don't want to search my ground. Oh no, the clip fell off.
Where?
It's fine.
Move out of the way. Ooh, here's a bird.
What is this? Looks like a really weird.
It's a
Surfboard.
Surfboard, yes, that's what it is.
It's too round to be a surfboard. I have all the bottom done. Now I'm gonna do the top.
I
I found it. Did you?
Olivia, I don't have a chair piece.
Oh, is it on the ground?
You look on the ground on your side and see if you see it. What are you doing, huh?
What is this? It's not a bird piece. Here's some leaves.
Oh, thank you. Thank you so much for the 4 millionth leaf piece of puzzle, okay?
I got more.
No, I don't need any more, okay?
Take some leaf. You want some tree? I got some tree.
Thanks. I appreciate your tree. Okay?
Your tree donation.
Okay, where's all the pieces of tree? Let me start with that, and then I'll do the leaves.
There's a bird in my sun.
Here's some leaf. Here's some tree.
Here's some
tree.
the meat tree.
Tree.
The meat tree.
Tree.
I need sun. I
Tree.
need sun pieces.
Honey, you got all the pieces. Okay?
What? This is all I have. Mom, look.
You
this
gave
is all
me
I
all
have.
the pieces, okay?
I I just
You
need
have
sun.
enough sun over there.
No, I do not. I need. How am I supposed to connect this bird together?
Look.
Ew! That's gross. That is gross.
See, I told you you had enough sun.
Enough. Enough. But dude, where's the sun supposed to go? It goes in like the
It's,
middle.
yeah, like right around where this bird guy is.
Do
Bird guy goes right here. I don't know, something doesn't seem right here up at the top.
I told you it might not be right.
This piece, something doesn't seem quite right with it.
Sorry.
Where's your piece? It goes right here. Maybe not. I thought it went right here. It sure looks like it goes right there.
Oh my god, you're
No?
breaking it.
Oh no!
You're breaking
I'm
it.
breaking it! It goes right here. That means that these...
Dad opened a soda.
A Casoda.
Soda.
Something's not... Something's not right here. That's all I have
Here.
to say.
Here, commenters. If you can solve this riddle, we'll give you a muffin. Somehow.
A muffin somehow.
You get a muffin point. Mike. Wait, what was it again? That was like the thing that Link did on Red and Link. The answer was Mike Puff Tea.
Micah Puff Tea.
Mike Puff Tea. Now, if you can solve what that means, you get a muffin point. Hey, you got a comment
What do you mean?
on Facebook?
On Facebook, not on the... Okay, I don't exactly know how this is working out here,
I
okay?
think we're maybe missing a piece.
Something's not exactly right here. We'll figure it out as we seal it up, I guess. Alright, so let's start building a tree.
That's not how that works.
How what works?
You can't build a tree in real life.
No, not in real life.
I wish all the puzzle would be like put together, like all the puzzle pieces, like the seams would go away,
Uh-oh.
and then you're just left with like a long brick of a puzzle.
Oh, yeah, break it. That would be good.
Yes, very good. Hey, it stays together.
Get out of there! God.
It's a blanket for my hand.
Something is not right here.
Everything is okay, Mom. I didn't know how the top pieces went together, so some of the other pieces might not be right. I can see your hair.
My arm hair?
No, your hair.
Yeah, well, I hope so. You see all those grays? Those are all her fault. What? Water what? I need water, Mom. I need some water. Hey, good for you,
This has
Olivia.
just turned into us whispering.
What is going on here? This is really bugging me. Okay. That's
be a
this
tree.
bird. That's
Berg.
bird. Berg. That's
that
this bird.
There. Oh wait, this is the top piece.
I know, but there's something not right here. So here's the tree. Here's the tree, right? Here's the cloud. And then like right after that, you're supposed to have...
Oh my god, there's a cat right there. I almost just stepped on the cat.
I'm very confused here.
And there's a cat on the other side of the table. Swish.
I don't know what's going on here.
Jug of water. I need more water.
Alright.
I got a text message.
Okay.